Good afternoon, teacher. Eh, I am going to presentation eh, the sign of the prizes. Eh, the winner of the Solidarity Award for being a philanthropist and the first African American woman that helped to African people. The last year, Oprah Winfrey was nominated to the Solidarity Award for being generous and being the first African American woman to inspire to another woman for catch their dreams. For that reason, Oprah Winfrey is the winner of the Solidarity Award this year. Here is the award, and we will send to her this prize in the next days. I am going to talk about some points about Oprah Winfrey's life. This woman was born in USA, in the state of Mississippi. She was born on January 29, 1954. She is a daughter of a single mother. She, in the early years, her first years of life, um, she hadn't much money. She went to a normal school and she went out to play on the street like a normal girl, a normal child. And it, for me, it inspired a lot because she she never thinks she never think about the poor things that she passed when she was a girl. Uh, she began to work uh, when she was 17 years. After years, she created a TV show, a famous TV show on in United States. That name was the Oprah Winfrey Show. Um, that program, TV program, uh, was from Chicago since 1986 to 2011. Okay, she was molested during her childhood, and when she was a teenager, she she became pregnant when she was 14 years old. Her son born uh, prematurely, but he died a few days in infancy. Oprah's um, Oprah had a lot of business. She is a actress. She is an businesswoman. She is a producer of TV programs. She is a show host. Um, Oprah Winfrey, thanks to her TV show, uh, could or can um, help to another woman that uh, they need, for example, economical resources, um, or educational things. For example, um, Oprah Winfrey donated uh, a lot of money to educational resources because she thinks that education is the best thing to help to another people, because if you study, if you um, if you want to superate, you will get that you want. um Oprah Winfrey was a co-author of many books. Winfrey's created company too, an online company that it is Oprah.com a website. This website provides resources and interactive content related to her shows, uh, her magazines, her book club, and public charity. She had a food business in 2015. Winfrey um, Winfrey buy actions in a big company, and she is an investor of the Food Chicken, a restaurant chain founded by Andrew Weil. She has been ranked the greatest black philanthropist in America history, and she was sometimes ranked as the most influential woman in the world because she got a lot of things thanks to her motivation, her inspiration, and she inspired to another woman to catch their dreams. For that reason, Oprah Winfrey was the winner in this year of our award, and I hope that next year's Oprah Winfrey will continue do solidarity actions because it helps to another people. Thank you.